In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background photo in PayPal. This quick update customizes the cover image on your PayPal.me page, the page people see when they use your link to send you money, so it looks professional and reflects your brand or personality. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to your PayPal account. Sign in if you're not already. Once you're on your account dashboard, look for the Settings icon. It's the little gear at the top right of the page, and open your account settings. From there, locate the section related to your profile or PayPal.me. You should see an option to manage your PayPal.me page. Click Manage to open the customization area. On this page, you'll see a large banner or cover area with a camera icon. That camera icon is your shortcut to changing the background. Click it to begin. You'll now have two choices. You can select one of PayPal's preset backgrounds, which are quick and easy, or you can upload your own image. If you're uploading, choose a high-quality, landscape-oriented photo that looks good as a wide banner. A clear JPG or PNG works best. Aim for a clean, simple image, without important details too close to the edges, since banners can crop on different screens. If this page represents a business, keep it on-brand and professional, and make sure you have the rights to use the image. Avoid any sensitive or personal information in the photo. After choosing or uploading your image, you'll see a live preview. Use the pan or reposition tool to frame the shot exactly how you want it. Click and drag the image until it looks balanced. Take a moment to imagine how it will appear on both desktop and mobile. Faces or logos centered horizontally tend to work well. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply the change. Give it a second to update. If you don't see the new background right away, refresh the page or check your PayPal.me link in a new tab. Occasionally, you may need to clear your browser cache for the change to appear. A quick note: if you haven't set up a PayPal.me profile yet, PayPal may prompt you to create one before you can customize the background. That's normal, and you can return to these steps once it's set. And that's it. You went to your PayPal settings, opened Manage on your PayPal.me page, clicked the camera icon, picked or uploaded a background, adjusted the preview, and saved your changes. Your new cover image is live and ready to share.